Audrey is coming to the wellness room. Welcome to the wellness room. These are magnet timers. She's going to pick one and she's going to go in. Now if the door is shut, sometimes it's shut. If it is, just pull open. She's going to come through and walk around the library desk. This is the way you go to the wellness room. The first thing Audrey does is she puts her magnet timer right here and she hand sanitizes her hands, being sure to get the sanitizer into her fingers and her fingertips. Now, when you're walking into our library and our wellness room, you need to be quiet, very quiet. Now, Audrey, right, is going to stand right here and she's going to check in and tell me her name and her teacher and her grade, and then she's going to tell me how she feels. And then after I put that in, she gets to go pick a tool. Now, as she goes into our wellness room, she's going to get a timer and head into the wellness room, quiet all the time. She's going to look around and pick a spot and then stay in that spot. There are 3 rules you need to remember while in the wellness room. 1, choose a spot and stay there. You don't get to move around. 2, do not talk to anyone, not your friends, not anyone, except you can talk to me in a whisper when you need to. The rest of the time, it is 0 voice level. I know you all know what 0 voice level means, and that's what we do in the wellness room. And the 3rd rule is that you only work with 1 tool. You don't get to switch tools. And you watch your timer. I'm going to flip it over so we can go faster. But Audrey has been watching her timer. This is very important, and I know you can do a good job. So she works quietly by herself. She doesn't show her friends what she's made. She doesn't play around with other things. She stays in one spot very quietly, watching her timer as she does her work with her tool. Remember, when you're working with your tool, you are self-regulating and you are getting yourself back down to normal and fine. Oh, she watched her timer and it's gone. Good for her for watching it and cleaning up quickly. Audrey's going to put her timer away, then she's going to put her tool away. Once that's done, she will stop right back here and check out with me, telling me how she feels and what she worked with. And then, thank you, Audrey, and then she's going to pick up her magnet timer and take it back to the door, to the board at the door. And all the while, she is super silent. Voice level is 0 in this library and wellness room. Well, we are excited for you to come to our new wellness room. Goodbye.